Just gonna sweep some of this up and then I've got to go off. Are you okay?
Yeah. For God's sake.
Have you got any big sweeping brushes as well?
Big.
Or any kind of sweeping brushes that's not going to snap in half? Yes, they were filming it.
You want a hard brush or a soft brush?
Both.
One of each.
Yeah. And decent prices, don't rip me off.
How wide do you need?
Yeah.
18 inches is quite big. It's like nearly 500. It's like nearly half a metre.
We'll get one of them.
Yeah.
And a normal one as well, like a normal
Just a soft
stiff
one.
brush. No, stiff. I think everything needs to be stiff in there.
Less wide though.
Can we see these brushes?
Okay.
Right, so best not break then, yeah?
I don't know if you're putting some strain on that.
Here we go.
Can
Anyone in here?
Thank you.
No worries. See you later.
Could be in it. We need some extras.